Pro Garage Doors in, you guessed it, sunny San Diego. Not looking out for me. Anyway, Mike from All Pro Garage Doors coming at you from the Fox News Studios in New York City. All Pro Quality Garage Doors. And you guessed it, training. Sunny San Diego. 1280. You in there? Wake up. I'm not going to tell you what machine it is yet, but these days, everything's for sale. These screw drives are notorious for spitting grease out of the trolley onto the garage floor. You track it into the house on the carpet, and then the wife gives you a beat down. Not good. We got an action star going live. Who's editing this damn video? Bam, see what we out there. There you go, Bubba. Hat, tickets ready to go. Good luck. You handsome devil, you. Anyway. Shit, now I'm on tape on here. Beautiful. There you go, buddy.